Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out Litecoin's price chart, and I am now seeing some optimistic signs suggesting maybe we are going to get a decent breakout soon. So, are you ready? Let's dive in and see what is going on. And I think there are a lot of hidden messages in this phase down from this high to about the lowest slope down here. Why is that? Because in my view, I think we are having 5 wave down in here. This is probably an A, B, C expanded flat up. This is another 5 wave down from the highest high. So you can consider two different counts. One scenario suggests maybe we are bearish, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on a lower degree relative to this 1, 2, we are having actually another 1, 2, and then good move down into wave 3, 4, 5. And if this thing is going to play out, your eyes should be on this very much important low around $109.5, because the moments that we go down and take it, at that point finding a 5 wave from the lows down here around 106 is going to be so challenging to a degree that is not really going to be my primary case. And I'm going to at that point say, look, in LTC, unfortunately I was wrong and we are bearish, and our move down is going to continue just a little bit in the short term. And overall, do not get me wrong, no matter what is going to happen in this area, I am still going to remain optimistic. However, having said that, even the bearish scenario that I showed you earlier is not really going to be my primary case. Why? Two reasons. Number one, I think we are having in this area a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and most likely we are going to take this important high, which is going to invalidate that 1, 2 scenario that we talked about earlier. So this is bullish sign number one. Point number two, you see, we are just toying with this area way too much. And how many times are we touching this region? Let's just have a quick count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say even 7 times we are touching this region, and every single time we are getting a reaction from it. So I am going to actually argue that in Litecoin, this is now quite weak, and there is a good chance we're going to see, even in the current phase, a breakout, meaning we go above the region, do a very slow and choppy pullback, and then get a continuation of the move up in order to take this high. And at that point, I need you to have your eyes on a beautiful bullish pattern, which, in case that you are a regular viewer, you know what I'm talking about. I think at that point, we may have this beautiful head and shoulder structure. And if you want to know what's going to be a likely target for it, at first you need to put your chart on regular scale, because there's simply no measuring waves on logarithmic. It's very important to understand that. I'm going to keep saying this in every single update. And then measure the height of your pattern and put it at your breaking point. This is giving you about a $125 Litecoin, meaning from here we can expect, I guess, like a 10 to, even if you are lucky, 15-20% move on the upside. So for the reasons that we said in today's video, I would like to be a bit optimistic. It's just maybe it's best to wait right now a little bit more and see a break of the neckline, and at that point you are allowed to be bullish with more confidence. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in LTC. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.